Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve a 2 by 2 with the Ortega method. And now let's get right into the video. So in the Ortega method, there are totally 3 steps. So the first step is to solve the white color. So you don't have to solve the first layer, it's just enough to solve the white color. So after solving the white color, you have to solve the opposite color, which is the yellow. After solving the yellow, then you would be using an algorithm for the specific case and the cube will be solved. So if you don't know how to solve a 2 by 2, then check out the video on the top right. So if you know how to solve a layer in 2 by 2, then it would be easy to solve one color on 2 by 2. So I'll just solve the white color. So we have solved the white color, and now let's get into learning the second step. So the second step is actually called the OLL, just as in 3 by 3. So it's just to solve the yellow layer. So the first case is the zoom case, and in this one yellow is facing to the top, and when you hold it in the front left, one yellow is facing towards you, the other is to the right, and the other is to the back. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So the next case is the anti-zoom case. So in this also one yellow is facing to the top, but when you hold it in the front right, this yellow is in the left and it is facing you, and the other is facing to the left and the other is facing to the back. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So the next case is this one, in which two yellow colors are facing to the top and there are two yellow headlights. So you should hold these headlights to the left and this in the right and do this algorithm. The next case is this one, and in this two yellows are facing to the top and these two are facing opposites. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. The next case is this one, in which two opposite yellow colors are facing to the top and these two are facing towards you like this. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So next case is the hedge case, and in this two headlights are facing towards you and the other two headlights are facing towards the back. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So the next case is this one, in which two headlights are facing to the left and the other two are facing opposite to each other. So hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. So these are all the 7 OLL cases. So we have finished the step 2 and now it's time for the step 3. In this step 3, you should first check out for a bar in the top layer and in the bottom layer. So in the bottom layer we have this blue bar and no other bars are there, and in the top layer we have this green bar and no other bars are there. So if you find a bar in each layer, then join these together like this and now do this algorithm. In the next case, while searching, if you don't have any bar in the bottom layer but have one bar in the top layer, then hold it like this in front of you and do this algorithm. So in the next case, when you don't have any bar in both of the layers, then just do this simple algorithm. So the next case is that one layer is solved in the white and in the top layer there is one bar. So this is an adjacent swap and the algorithm's name is TPERM. So this is from the PLL of 3x3 and the algorithm goes like this. In this next case, one layer is solved in the bottom but no bar is found in the top layer. So this is called the diagonal swap and the algorithm's name is the YPERM. So the algorithm goes like this. So sometimes when you are solving, if you have only one bar in the bottom and no bar is found in the yellow layer, or if the yellow layer is finished, then you can just rotate the cube like this so that white is on the top and the yellow is in the bottom, and you can do the algorithm which you have to do. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you understood the Ortega method. If you did, then give this video a like and share this with your friends. Also, please be free to leave any doubts in the comment section below. Please do subscribe if you like my videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.